Hello, welcome to today's lesson. So today we'll be looking at Windows configuration. Under Windows configuration, we'll look at disk defragments or disk defragmentation. So it helps us to defragment our disk so that our disk can run smoothly. It can run smoothly. And how do we get access to that? Is for us to go to our control panel and we'll use our administrative tools and we can pick defragment to optimize our disk. So if I click on this point now, the search now, you can see control panel here. If I don't have it here, so I'll just click it on the search and I'll have it, so I'll just click on control panel. After clicking on control panel, I'm going to take administrative tools. Now you can click on control panel, then your control panel is at the category view. But what you do, you come to this category here and you change it into maybe small or large icon. So click on it so that you can pick your administrative tools you see there. So these administrative tools, you click on it. When you click on the administrative tools, it takes you to the administrative tools. Then from this point now, you can pick defragmentation and optimize drive. Defragmentation and optimize drive. Just double click to open it. It's going to open your disk so you can see how it's opened it for me. Then my C drive is same, you can see it now is a solid state drive. Then the reserve is also solid state drive. Then what was this? All these disks here, what did he say? He said zero, okay, 0% defragmentation is okay. Then this now, he said this my C drive now, he said it needs optimization 29 days since last trim. That's what this here. So I can move it down here so that we can see it, expand it. You can see since last trim. The same thing with this one, since last, it says since last, and this one is 30 days since last trim. So you say need optimization. So anyone you click on, if I click on this now, I want to optimize, I'll just click on optimize. And so that's it. Click on optimize and it's taking me down. So that's it. You can see it says 0 days since last trim. You can see it now. So for this result, if I click on it too and I click optimize, you see it now 0 days last trim. So that's it. So I've optimized it now 0 days last trim. So that's it. So that's how you do your optimization. All these are maintenance of the system, system configuration and maintenance. Very important to your system. If you are somewhere working and you want to really look at the overall performance of your system, you want to do all things, these are the things you do for maintenance to make your system run as expected. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on our YouTube channel and you also see more video like this. Thank you very much.